Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable location tags for photos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open the camera app. Then from here, tap on the settings icon. In your camera settings, scroll down until you get to the option location tags, and to enable your location tags, tap on the toggle to turn it on. So then from here, you'll need to give access to your device location. So you can choose the option precise or approximate, then choose either while using the app or only this time. So once you've done that, now when you go to take an image, then you tap on the photo in your camera roll and you try to view the image details. By pressing on the three dots here and then selecting details, you should see a location has been added onto the image. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.